What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time watching, it's SneakerHeadInTheBay here, and today we're hitting this real quick late night unboxing. I'm feeling good right now. I'm feeling super hyped up, super excited, and it's super late right now. So I figured, you know what? Let's go ahead and get this quick unboxing out of the way so you guys can enjoy it with me, all right? This is gonna be legendary, extremely legendary. Let's just get right to it. And let's not stab my face with these scissors. Like I said, it's late, all right? Basically, this brand hit me up and they said that they were gonna be sending some shoes out. So let's see if this is the box. If this isn't the box, that's kind of embarrassing, but let's see. Hopefully it is. Okay. Okay. There we go. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. Can y'all see this? Here we go. Oh my gosh. Dude. It is so freaking lit right now. Check this out, guys. Believe it or not, the childhood brand, yes, the childhood brand, Heelys, hit me up in the DM and they said that they wanted to work with your boy. And I was like, bro, yes, let's get it and let's go, because your boy was rocking the Heelys back in the day when my mom used to buy stuff from Payless, from all those like discount stores. That's what I was rocking. And if I wanted an expensive pair of shoes, I think Heelys were maybe $50 to $100 at the time. I had to wear them for the entire year or until they started falling apart. So I was wearing these to PE. I had to pop the wheels out. I'm excited, as you guys can probably tell. But let's go ahead and check this out. Let's see what they sent me. Oh, they got direction. This is fancy now. Oh, there's a note. There's a note here. Let's see. We are so excited to welcome you to the Heely gang. You're about to be even cooler than you already are. Fire. Put on your new Heelys and get ready to feel non-stop attention. Your friends, family, and followers are going to be amazed when they see you rolling around. And the best part is you can pop the wheels out whenever and wear them as normal sneakers for everyday wear. We are the original shoes with wheels, so you can count on us to get you there. You are creative and fun, and that's why we're excited to see you rock these. Bro, I'm blushing. This is crazy. We look forward to seeing the content you put together because we know it's going to be awesome. Be sure to tag us, use our hashtags, yada yada. Thank you guys so much for putting me in a position where like brands are reaching. I didn't even reach out to them. The freaking Heelys reached out to me. That's absolutely insane. That means that they enjoy the work, they see it, and they feel cool enough to send me this. This is crazy. We got some freaking MTV Heelys on deck. All right, we got the M, we got the T, and we got the V. This is like both of my childhoods getting mashed into one. Oh, we got some. Okay, we might have to. Bro, this is too much. I don't know how to explain this feeling right here, but your boy's definitely gonna be getting some rolling shots in these. Look at this, so nostalgic. I haven't seen the two-wheel ones for a very long time, but they went ahead and sent over this one right here, just one wheel on this side and one wheel on this side. But if you guys used to have Heelys back in the day and y'all remember this, they used to have a pair that had one wheel right here and then they had another one. It was like two wheels. So you can low-key ride with the back one, and then the second one, it kind of holds your feet up, so you don't have to worry about, you know, keeping your heels up too much or too down. So the two-wheel ones, those ones were lit. But I'm really excited to see where this partnership or where this collaboration goes, because if they're starting to send me Heelys, bro, it would be insane if I could get my own Heelys. Like, I'm speaking it into existence right now. In 2022, let's just say 2022, I'm going to have my own Heely collaboration. All right, this is not me speaking with anybody. I'm just saying it because I believe it and I want to speak it into existence. All right, I want to have my own Heely collaboration in 2022. Hopefully we could go ahead and look at this video in 1 year from now, and hopefully we'll have something dope. All right, but that's just me speaking stuff into existence. I don't know anybody from this brand specifically. They literally just emailed me and I was like, man, thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. Like, this is my childhood. As most kids can relate to, unless you're super young. If you're super young, you don't know about this, but this is crazy, honestly. And thank you guys so much for watching the videos. Like I said, let me just pop these in. Oh, maybe, we're gonna go ahead and cut over to some extra footage. It's too late for me to be putting these on, popping these out, but this is super fire. I'm gonna catch up with you guys in a little bit, probably early in the morning, and we're gonna go on a ride in these. Let's go.